Class number 136, Yin Yoga. This is your sneak peek into the live stream room at the guest bungalow.
Welcome to Half Dragonfly. This is our pinnacle pose from today's Yin Yoga offering. Yin was a special request from our mat chat experience that occurs weekly before class, giving participants an opportunity to make suggestions for our sequence together. Not only was Yin requested, but Half Dragonfly was very important to a specific member, and through the entire experience, Half Dragonfly remained my favorite pose, which I'm going to be sharing with you today. If you'd like to join me, make your way down to your yoga mat, and you can extend your left leg, placing the sole of your right foot inside of that left thigh. A support item is essential in Half Dragonfly, in my opinion. Don't look at straps as a crutch. Look at them as an opportunity to go deeper into your practice, to feel more sensation, to release more of what no longer serves. So any strap will do. You're going to gently move the meat of your tush to the side so you can ground your sit bones into your mat. Roll your shoulders back and down and your head floats up like a balloon. You feel supported in the hips, long in the spine, and lifted at the crown. And you're going to gently twist to line yourself up over this straight left leg. You're going to take a deep breath in through your nose. And on your exhale through your nose, you're going to hinge at your hips, reaching for your toes, pulling those toes back towards your body for a deeper stretch in that leg. If you can't reach your fingers to your toes, this is when the strap becomes essential. You can use the strap to pull the toes back. Then you relax your nose down towards your knee. In Yin Yoga, the poses are held for at least 1 minute. And after we achieved our 1 minute hold in Half Dragonfly, I gave an opportunity to go deeper. You could stay right here for an extra minute, or you could bring your elbow down to the ground or a block, another support item, making a fist with your hand, resting your head on that fist, reaching your right fingertips up towards the sky. You feel a wonderful deep stretch in the right side of your body. And the last opportunity to go deeper is to take the right fingertips down to the left toes, lifting at that arm so you can gaze under the right arm. Breathing in and out through the nose. Going to the point within the body where you feel the most sensation. Using your imagination to breathe into that location so you can stretch and relax. This variation within Half Dragonfly was also offered for a 1 minute hold. Then we used our hands to push ourselves up and return back to our center. Of course, Half Dragonfly was offered on the other side of the body, but this is just simply your sneak peek into the live stream room at the guest bungalow. If you'd like to enjoy this full 1 hour offering, which includes guided relaxation and meditation as Shavasana at the end, make your way on over to theguestbungalow.com and join our beautiful community. We would love to have your company. Wishing you a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.
Don't forget to stretch. Visit theguestbungalow.com today. We're open 24/7. Now is the perfect time to retreat.